Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I get my everyday sub brow look, and this is very beginner friendly. Anyways, so first I used my spoolie to brush up my brows. Then I went into my ABH Cosmetics dipbrow pomade in the shade Ebony just to outline my brows. I mostly concentrated on the tail of my brows. I like it when it has that really nice ombre effect. So I just concentrated on the tail of my brows. And I went ahead to fill in the middle of my brows as well, just to make it look really good and snatched, Then I went into another shade called dark brown to fill in the front part of my brows, just to give it that ombre effect, like I said earlier. I like it when it's anyways, so I just used it to fill in and I used a very light hand when I was doing this, so it doesn't look too cakey and boxy and all that stuff. I just used the angled brush to make like really light strokes, upward strokes at the beginning of the brows. Then I use my spoolie to brush up the excess product on my brows, and I went into my NARS Cosmetics concealer in the shade hazelnut to outline or clean up the lower part of my brows. This shade is, I think, 2 shades lighter than my skin complexion. I'm not sure, but it's just perfect for me. I just like the way it looks on my brows. And I used the flat angled brush. I think it's from Morphe. I'll list all the products in the description box. I really can't remember everything, but I'll list everything in the description box, everything I used in the video. Then I went into another shade, another NARS concealer shade called Cafe to clean up the upper part of my brows, as you can see in the video. And please don't come for me, I'm not a makeup artist. I learned how to do brows on YouTube, so if it's not perfect, please don't come for me. Thank you. Let's spread the love, let's be nice to each other. Anyway, so I used the same Morphe angled brush to outline the upper part of my brows. Then I used the same brush with the little product left on the brush, just to make the front part of my brows look really soft and natural. And when you're doing this, please, in the name of God, just make sure your brush doesn't have too much product on it, and use a very light hand, because if you use a very heavy hand, you clean up all the work you've done on your brows. Then I went to I used the buffing brush. I don't know where I got this brush from. I just always use it to. The brush actually has no name on it, so I always use it to buff out my concealer on my eye, and it does a very good job. I really can't remember where I bought it from, but yeah, I applied more concealer to my lid just to cancel out any discoloration. And I went into my Mercier translucent setting powder in the shade medium deep. I really I don't think I'm getting it right, but I'll list everything in the description box. Yes, I used it to set my brows, the concealer on my lid. Then I used my ABH Cosmetics brow gel to set my brows, to make sure they stay in place all day, they don't keep flying up and down. And this brow gel is actually transparent, it doesn't have any color on it. That's what I like about it. I know they have other shades, other products with other product that has color, but I prefer this one. Yeah, so guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, leave your comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know the type of videos you want to see, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.